Hey guys, and today we're gonna make another Minecraft video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how you can make this really cool magic ball with a creeper inside it. Isn't it so cool? See guys, look at it, it's just hanging out inside. But there's something really hard about this. You should make sure the creeper wouldn't suffocate inside this. Because look under. You might see some strings under there. So yeah, let's get going. So you will need rails, a spawn creeper, a minecart, redstone block, piston, any type of wood. I kind of want birch because they're bright colored, and also any type of glass, string, any type of carpet, and make a fence, and make sure the fence is the same color as the birch wood planks. Oh great. So we're gonna be doing this but lighter. Oh great, why did I break that there? Okay, first place 2 rails just like that. Then put any type of block, and you will get something like this after. And then after that, of course, you have to put a minecart, spawn a creeper, and push it. Push it. What's happening? Push it inside. Don't go anywhere else. Just in there. No. No. Hey, you. Creeper. Go there in the minecart and make sure to push it as far as you can into those blocks. To make sure it's far enough, place a block right there. And when you can place it, it's far enough. When you can't, you have to push it farther. And then, after that, put a piston facing to the creeper right here. Yeah, its face looks sad. Why are you sad? I know you're scared of cats. Okay, guys. Now, 1, 2, 3, boom, and I placed the wrong block. Sorry, guys. That was so embarrassing. Oh my god, I placed the wrong block. Don't activate it. Put that birchwood plank and then the piston, and then push it in there just like that. Don't do the same mistake as I did, okay? That was embarrassing. Make sure it's all even by placing blocks all around. But if there's one side without a minecart, push it. Push it. Oh great, it disappeared. Okay. Push it back just a little. Oh great. No. Oops, I forgot to put the block. Okay, guys, just make sure. Okay, never mind. That's already fine. And you will get something just like this after the body of the creeper is right there. I don't know why it's called the creeper though. Even if it's not so creepy, it just explodes. Actually, that is kind of creepy. And get your white stained glass. Put it there, and then put the piston, and you will get something that looks like this. And then activate the piston, and boom, you have to make sure the creeper doesn't suffocate inside that thing. Oh no. Oh shoot, don't push the minecart like that, guys. Fix this. Put a block right there, and right. Oh great, No, no, no. Okay. No. Push it in. There you go. Yes, finally I fixed it. Okay, guys, I thought I couldn't fix that. And then after that, you can clear all your stuff out and then get the last pieces. Just wait, I want to change this to yellow. Why didn't I change this a while ago? Okay, get the birch fences and put them around. Make sure to leave some gaps. And you will get something like this when you fly up. And guys, when you're in survival, when you're trying to get a creeper, just try to lure it in the minecart. Just don't get too close, and when you push the minecart, run right away. And then put the string, put another string, and then another string, and then the last string. And then after that, put the carpets on them. Oops, why did I put one there? Okay guys, you can do this any color you want. You can also do quartz to make your table look modernish. And then you'll get something like this when you're finished. Aren't they the same? Oh wait, yeah, right, I forgot something. Put the same color of the carpet up there and you're done. Pretend you're a fortune teller and you're like, you will be exploded. You will be exploded by a creeper. You can do any mob you want. Just make sure to put a carpet on top so they would not burn. Okay, I don't want it to turn out. I don't like mobs. And this is how you make this really, really, really cool magic globe. And thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, these are pretty weird looking zombies. I'm not going near them. And guys, if you remember this structure, there was something wrong. All the mobs were in there, but then I forgot one, which is the Ender Dragon. Then the Ender Dragon, when I spawned it, like slash summon Ender Dragon, it made a huge hole in my moon. So I am so sorry guys, I wish I didn't do that. Oh, is that a skeleton? Kinda wanna put this in peaceful. Oh wait, guys, make sure your world is not in peaceful or else this mob will disappear. You can do any mob you want, you can also do villager. But the village, make sure they don't suffocate, because if they do, you'll have to repeat it all over again, which is gonna be annoying. So yeah, please like and subscribe to our channel. I love you all. Thank you for the first 11 subscribers. I'm so sad. You know why, guys? It's because we got 12 subscribers before, then one unsubscribed. Right, creepers? Right? Okay, never mind. Okay, bye guys. See you in our next video.